Barbara. Inside Barbara. Inside Barbara. Class 7. Boys, check your line. Look at the back of your friends. Hide your face. Inside. All of you do it properly. Up. Stretch it. Hands up also. Joy and I. Hands up. Inside. Down. Now produce sound. Do it actively. Stand it. This is not rhythmic. Attention. Deep sanctuary. What I'm doing. Stand it. Attention. Okay, all of you get ready for national anthem. Okay, be ready. 1, 2, 3, start.
Tempo or something. We have told them earlier also, slow. Sometimes very slow, sometimes very fast.
Next level of you. Hold up. Inside. All of you inside. Class 4 students inside. Hands up. Clap hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Clap it. Stop. Inside. Down. Stand it. Tension. Stand it. Tension. Okay, it's time for the speech. Okay, now be ready for school song, all of you. Okay, be ready. 1, 2, 3, start. of you. Inside, up, make it straight, hands up, properly. Inside, down, activity. Stand it, all of you. Tension. Stand it is tension. Okay, now it's time for the speech, and I would like to welcome respective speakers to come on the stage to deliver the speech. Please come forward.
Namaskar and very warm good morning to all respected principals, vice principals, teachers, brothers, sisters, and my dear friends. As you all know, it's me, Nikisa Manale from grade 10, standing here to read the highlights of the newspaper. Before starting, I would like to thank the organizer who have organized this type of program, which helps to increase the confidence level of the students. Now, I would like to start. Crisis at chipmakers, sends automakers scrambling. Nepali sky remains unsafe as reform stall report warns how Nepal's data reshaped global vaccine policy. How a 22-year-old revived her family craft. Congolian artist transformed Pablo Escobar's hippos and excesses into art. Repeated air crashes have taken a heavy toll on Nepal's aviation and tourism sectors, with the country listed among the most dangerous countries for air travel in international safety assessments. According to a high-level government committee report that cities remarks from global funding agency and aviation experts, the report recently published on the Civil Aviation Ministry's website says consultations with the multiple stakeholders, including donors and technical experts, found that Nepal's airport have failed to adequately strengthen the safety systems, improve passenger convenience, and enhance travelers' satisfaction. Thank you.
Namaskar and very warm good morning to all respected vice principal sir, teachers, brothers, sisters, and my dear friend. As you all know, it's Miss Harvani Gautam from grade 9, standing in front of you all to deliver a short and sweet speech on the topic of books. At first, I would like to thank the ECA committee of Anupam Vidya Sadan to organize this kind of program, which helps to increase the confidence level of the students. Now, without wasting my time, I would like to start my topic: books. Books are the thing in which we can gain knowledge and learn many more things. Some people like to read books while some people feel lazy to read books. Likewise, I love to read novels and many other books. One of the favorite books is The Art of Being Alone. It was written by Renuka Gavrani, an Indian author who likes to read and write novels. She started writing novels at the age of 16. Even though her first novel was a failure, she didn't stop and wrote some books like Ugly Creature and The Art of Dancing. One of her mission is to express her feelings through books and let her readers know that the world is a place in which you can be yourself and no one is there to judge you. In this book, The Art of Being Alone, it says that it gives a moral of transforming yourself, transforming your loneliness into your solitude and just being yourself. It says that being alone is not being lonely, it's just being with yourself. In this world in which nothing lasts forever, like your friends will move to another city just for better work opportunities, and you need to leave your family for your studies. Likewise, you need to learn how to live alone and enjoy happiness within yourself. It also says that being alone can be more productive than being in a mass of people in which you can do nothing but just get distracted. In conclusion, I would like to say that in this book, it transforms your loneliness into your solitude and makes you love yourself more. Thank you and have a nice day.
Namaskar, I am Begum. Good morning to you all. Namaskar, Principal Sir, Vice Principal Sir, teacher, brothers, sisters, and my dear friends. As you all know, Ismi Tapasya Adhikari from grade 7 standing in front of you to deliver a short and sweet speech on the topic of Gautam Buddha. Before starting my topic, I like to thank the ECA Chief of Anubhav Vidya Sadan that helped to increase the confidence level of the student. Without wasting your precious and valuable time, I like to start my speech. Gautam Buddha. Gautam Buddha is also known as Light of Asia. His real name is Siddhartha Gautam. He was born around 563 BC ago in Nepal. He was born in the place name called Lumbini Kapilvastu. His father was the king of the Kapilvastu. His father's name was Surdodhan and his mother name was Maya Devi. He was born as a prince. He was a peaceful and kind child. He married at the age of 24. The name called Yasodhara Devi, and he born a child named called Rahul. He leave his house to know the meaning of the life. He do many years meditation for the know the meaning of the life, and he died at the age around 80. He died. The place where he died was Kushinagar of India. By saying this much, I like to conclude my speech. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning and namaskar to Vice Principal Sir, Principal Sir, teachers, brothers, sisters, and my dear friends. It's me, Aradhana Limbu from class 5, standing in front of you to deliver short and sweet speech on the topic importance of education. We all know education is a light in our darkness. Education is the important role in our life. It is usually believed education is a foundation of younger development, and education is a powerful tool that opens doors to bright future. And in Nepal there are many orphan kids who are craving for education. So at last I want to say, we should not read for our parents, but we should read for ourselves. Thank you.
Okay, thank you all the speakers for your speech. And Scabra, all of you. Inside. Up. Inside.
Down. Stand it is.
Back, all of you. Attention. Stand it is. Attention.
Okay, now march time. Grade 4, you can move forward. Class 9 also, you can move towards your class.